welcome back to Sis Awesomeness. Today, my sister Bella are gonna be doing a makeup tutorial. Yay! And I didn't feel that my sister was gonna do it, but I thought my mommy was gonna do it with my sister. I thought my mommy was gonna help my sister, but it turned out really happy.
Alright, so this is recital makeup. We dance. I've been looking today. So I'm doing ballet tap and dance. She's doing ballet and tap. So the product we use is BeautyCounter. Because this product, it's good for children's skin. And you know, yes, we're children. And we want our skin to be very healthy. So,
and safe.
So,
and all of the kids in the universe, you need to keep your body safe. You need to eat vegetables and healthy things. Because you don't want to get sick just like everything else is happening in the quarantine. So
stay safe. Wash your hands for 20 to 30 seconds. So let's get on to putting your makeup on. So the first thing I'm going to be using is this Touch of Concealer. So what you do with this product is
you open it, click it
one time. Yes, you open it, click it one time, and then close your eyes, and then you just put it on the eye carefully.
Done.
And then you use this thing. We're going to be using a blending sponge.
Right here. I know it's really small.
This product, what it does is when you put the eyeshadow on and stuff, it's like, it makes it stick better. Alright, there we go. That looks really pretty. Next, I guess we can do the mascara.
Okay.
Oh wait. So I guess let's do the eyeshadow now. It is hard.
So we are going to be using this eyeshadow palette that I really like. The colors are really light and perfect, and I love it. I really wanted to try it on me, but I am. So my sister's gonna be doing it. Let's do it.
So what you want to do is you want to have a base, like you want it like a lightish and darkish color, okay? So I'm just going to be using this brush. It has two sides, but I'm going to be using this part. So you just want to pat it a little bit on both sides, and then you just want to put it all around where your eyebrow is. Okay, let me get the other side.
So we are going to be using this blending brush
for her eyeshadow.
It's very thin.
Yeah, so you need to switch brushes for a different cause. Like if you want it to be a certain way, then you have to switch to thin or thick. Right now, this is thin. So the color we're going to be using for her eyeshadow is Peacock.
It's a very blue color, and if you guys
if you guys like blue, then you should choose this one. And so this is how we're going to be using this blending brush with it. So all you have to do is you have to put it like right here, and then on the eyelid, okay?
Not under.
Not under, okay? Because then it won't look right. Just like that. So let's go ahead and put the peacock on. Alright, just gotta put a little more. Alright, that looks good.
We have to do the other side.
And you want to make sure that it's not very light, because remember this is a dark color and next we put the light. Alright, that looks pretty nice. Alright, now I'm just gonna do the next side. So I kind of messed up a little bit, so all you have to do is just take a wipey or a makeup wipe and then just do this and wipe it off on the bottom. That. So I finished blending it in finally. So all you have to do next is take a light color that you want. I'm going to be taking flaxen. And all you have to do is get your finger and rub it a little bit, and then on the inside just dab it in there. Dab, 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 dab. Yeah, that looks pretty. Alright, now get good. So next, let's do the mascara. That sounds good. All right.
Mascara next. My mascara is my favorite mascara. Like it makes your eyelashes grow bigger, fastly, so you can like then your eyelashes grow. That's my favorite part. And you guys have to be really careful. If you have some kind of mask, like if you're just for a party in like your but how do you guys do eyelashes?
Alright, there we go. That looks really pretty. Alright, so now I guess we should do blush. You want to do blush?
Yeah, this is my favorite.
So this is the brush we're going to be using. It's very, very thick and black. So here is the blush. This is powder blush, raspberry.
Ooh.
It's like a red raspberry.
I love raspberry.
So all you just gotta do is just dab a little bit on and do this. Actually, you don't have to do that. Okay, next we're going to do lipstick. Well, that's the last thing.
Yeah, the last thing is
We are
lipstick.
using Garden Party.
I love parties. If you like parties, you should get Descendants if you like Descendants.
So I'm doing it like I'm like doing it on the lines of the lip. And I'm doing it very softly so I don't cut a lot. And you have to do it very softly so you don't go out a lot. Here's the finished product. Here's the finishing look, makeup thing, the makeup tutorial stuff. And if you like these products, click the link below to check out the product that BeautyCounter has. And our date said it was on Saturday. I'm so excited. This is virtual, which is going to be a little bit different than before. Also, if you like Roblox, check out our last video.
Roblox.
And here's my username if you want to friend me.
We love Roblox.